was free, by the way. I took out all the sound resonators in the intake tube and plastic welded it together.
Yeah. Running no filter.
Check it. Get your close-ups.
No filter.
There's
plastic
one right there,
welded
plugged.
box.
There's one on the back somewhere too, I think.
There's one right there.
Right there.
And then one. There should be one right around here somewhere. You should know this. You did this. One right here.
Yeah, right there.
Give me around this.
Sounds pretty sick though.
Yeah. One right here, one right here. One on the bottom.
That's it. I don't know if we can get the phone down there to see it, but
Yeah, it's down there. You can see it.
yeah.
Oh yeah, don't mind them plastic zip
The
ties.
zip ties are holding the coil plugs together.
Yeah. Bring it up with Uncle Glenn.
Probably gonna have to drill that one out. Drill a hole in it that would get the condensation out of it.
But look at that one compared to this one. This is $8. Oh no, hold on. $6 off-brand.
That's
Headlight.
not off-brand. That's turtle
not?
wax. That's OG shit.
I guess it's some OG shit then.
Yeah, that's turtle wax, good.
$6 at Walmart.
All right.